Hey guys, hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about some differences about binary options and cryptocurrencies, some differences about options trading, swing trading, variable trading, margin trading, and crypto trading. So let's start the video. Binary options and cryptocurrencies are popular choices when it comes to financial trading, both offering the unique features which hold different attractions to traders. While binary options are the most established of the two, it is fair to say that cryptocurrency trading has grown in popularity over more recent years. Each come with their own set of benefits and of course their pitfalls. The ascertain the pros and cons of both of these trading methods and which suit you the best. We have put together this guide so that you can make an informed decision as to which suits you better and what you should be considering when choosing between binary options and crypto. Binary options is a well established financial trading mechanism while cryptocurrency trading is growing in popularity. Our expert dissects the pros and cons of each trading method. Both binary options and cryptocurrency trading require a good understanding of the market, particularly important during times of volatility. Fluctuations in the value can present opportunities for profit but also losses. Trading in cryptocurrencies, where you speculate on the price, is popular because it is global asset separated from centralized government control, but the fees can be high. Because binary options are a more well established trading instrument and allow you to build a diversified portfolio, they are currently more popular than cryptocurrency trading, but that could change. Trading payouts and losses. When considering whether to trade binary options or crypto, it is essential to understand the trade payouts and losses you can encounter, which is going to make you the most money and with one which you can have most of the success. While a good winning streak of short term options can produce good profits, a swing in an ever fluctuating world of crypto can be even more profitable. The opposite can be said of either, though, if the prices go against your trading bet. With binary options, you can expect anywhere between 60% and 90% returns depending on the broker that you choose. Then there are small transaction fees to consider. Any commission owed will be taken before you are paid out. With crypto, the payouts aren't entirely as predictable and can vary depending on some factors. You should have respect for the volatility of the market, as when they fluctuate, they can do so dramatically in a short space of time. It is also crucial to weigh up how much your transaction fees will affect your profits and your losses. The cost of each method. With cryptocurrency, you are speculating on the cost of asset without actually owning it. Buying crypto can prove quite expensive, especially given that Bitcoin reached $20,000 for one coin at its peak. But trading in it is far less costly. There are many fees to consider. To begin with, converting money into a Coinbase account carries a cost. You can expect to pay $35 just as a transaction fee for entering the exchange. When you weigh up the cost of entry and exit, the cost of $70, a $100 trade, therefore, is going to cost you a lot. Which trading type suit you? You can decide yourself. Options trading, swing trading, variable trading, margin trading, or crypto trading. You can learn on my channel how to trade options, option trading, project to option, call options, put option, intrinsic value options, extrinsic value options, shorting options, implied volatility, strike price, option contract, multiplier, tasty stock options, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, Ripple, Litecoin, and Coinbase.